Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to deactivate Instagram account in iPhone. If you're using Instagram and you want to deactivate your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app, and very first I recommend you how to try to update your app to prevent any kind of issue. Then go to your Instagram app, and here just tap on the profile option at the bottom right, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, then tap on account center, and here just select personal details option, then select account ownership and control. Then select deactivation or deletion. Then select your Instagram account which you want to deactivate. And here you have to select the option which you want to do. If you want to only deactivate your account, so you can select the first option. Or if you want to completely delete your account, just select the second option from here. But I'm going to select the first option in case of deactivating account. Just tap on continue option here. Then tap on continue. And here enter your Instagram account password. So once I've entered your Instagram account password, your account will be successfully deactivated. So in this way you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.